So many of you have been asking me how I set up my technical analysis on my charts, and I'm going to be showing you guys that in today's video. But before we do that, I want to say join our Discord with the link in our description, and go ahead and leave a like and subscribe if you like this video. Anyways, let's get into it. So the first thing that we're going to do is go to TradingView.com. Now, some people like to use Thinkorswim with TD Ameritrade. However, I think this is the best platform personally, and especially for beginners. So the first thing that we're going to do is add SPY to our watch list by typing in SPY. What you're going to do is click on it, and then you're going to click on SPY and then click see on super charts. This will load up a graph like this. However, you're not going to see all of these lines. So what I'm going to do is get rid of everything on here except for the support and resistances, so you'll be able to see this without these lines right here. If you are day trading, what you're going to do is click this 15-minute thing up here. It might say 5 minutes, it might say 30 minutes. You're going to change it to 15. We use the 15-minute time frame because it gives us a good balance of seeing the micro trends as well as the macro trends. The next thing that we're going to do is click on indicators, and we're going to search up EMA. You're going to click 20, 50, 100, and 200. The next thing that you're going to do is click MACD, and you're going to click on moving average convergence divergence. And the final thing that you're going to do is click on RSI, relative strength index. And boom, you should have a chart looking like this, other than the blue lines, which we'll go over in just 1 second. With the RSI, if the RSI is above 70 like it is right here, it's at 78, that means the stock is going to be overbought, and it's most likely going to be seeing a pullback very soon. So if it's above 70, it's overbought. However, if the stock is near the 30 or below the 30, that means the stock is being oversold, and most likely soon enough we are going to see an uptrend in the stock. Moving on to the MACD, if we take a look at the MACD, when the blue line is over the orange line, like you can see today when it started trending over the orange line, we're going to be trending up. However, when the blue line goes under the orange line and it starts trending down, you can see that today we saw a massive spike down in the volume, and then we had a massive drop in the price. So when the blue line is over the orange line, that means we're most likely going to be trending up. When the blue line starts trending back down and goes under the orange line, we're most likely going to be trending down. And the EMA 20, 50, 100, and 200 are going to be our exponential moving averages. And what we're going to be looking for with the exponential moving averages is when we cross over them and then get below them. When we enter into our EMA lines, we are in danger of having a massive drop off just like we did today. Now, when we're trending above it, we're not in danger of having a massive drop off. However, when we cross into the middle of them, we are at risk of having this massive red candlestick like we did today. So when we're trending above them and then we enter into the EMA lines, we are at risk of having a massive spike down. Or if we are below our EMA lines and we start trending into our EMA lines, we can have a massive spike up. Finally, we can set up our support and resistance levels. Now, for a support level, you're going to look where we have had multiple points of contact. So here at 426, we had 1 point of contact, 2 points of contact, 3 points of contact. So this is going to be a pretty strong support here. Now, we also had a resistance here with 2 points of contact before we broke our resistance at 432. And then we had a massive trend up in the stock market. Now, if we were to come back down, our previous resistance will now become our support. If we break a resistance, we're most likely going to have a pretty strong trend up for a couple of days, or if we break a support, we are most likely going to have a pretty strong downward trend for a couple of days. All you have to do to draw these lines is click this line. You're going to start the line at the top and then drag it out further. So now we have our resistance at 439. We're going to have our support at 432. Whichever way it breaks first is which way we are going to be trending for that day. And that's how you set up your charts for technical analysis. If you guys like the video, leave a like and subscribe. Join our free section of our Discord with the first link in the description, and I'll see you all in the next video.